Block story. Block. Yeah. Back up on a mission, gotta carry a mop. Watch out for these niggas, they be fucking with ops. If you really on a block, yeah, I carry a Glock. Cause these niggas really snitching, they be talking to cops. So these niggas really see I just mind my BI. Tell you why, see why. Hit them with the rewind, Cause I ain't telling them shit. Can't get one up on me. Niggas got me fucked up, saying they gon' touch what niggas do or die in this shit. You got me fucked up. I've been in and out of shit. You got me fucked up. You don't want no smoking, we can spark up. Yeah, cause I've been on my grind, can't tell me shit. Trying to feed a fam like a Michael Vick. Talking to my dog in the street, try to get my Vic. Cause ain't no fucking pot to piss. It's like you watch too much movies cause you try and run the zigzags. Red beam on the Glock, nigga, that's your is ass. You don't want no smoke, my nigga, cause we can piss ass. I can send a hit, you dead. That's for that big bag. I'ma do a big, no tourist. That's a Big Mac. Real shit, big facts. All you niggas big mad. Get on my dick before I break you like a Kit Kat. But none of the clip, I had both your mans split that. Damn, I'm too hot for y'all. Your niggas just pause. Y'all be playing pocket ball. Don't hit me to rock, cause I don't wanna rock with y'all. Cause not of the truth. That's how she be topping me off. Ooh, I'm pissed. Really got me pissed off. Niggas getting old like withdrawal on some shit ball. Back in. Lanez. Easy. Fucking with Lanez, they got me caught up in that gossip. I'ma own my city for sure, just watch it. Bitches Joe a nigga just to fuck when they poppin'. Time to cut them off like a picture, all crop shit. Niggas throwing dirt on my name, they ain't poppin'. Talking fly shit, get caught on this fly stick. Hood hoppin', you a bitch, you the dry snitch.